Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Mirza and I'm back with a new vlog. So today we are just going to do A to Z eating challenge. So let's begin with the alphabet A. So let's see what we have. Okay, so I have aloo bhujia. So we're going to be starting with aloo bhujia, letter A. This is my favorite. Now I'm just thinking for letter B. I decided to do this challenge right now because I have like a lot of stuff. Because I just recently did a snack review, so I might do this challenge. But let's see. Now I'm thinking what I can do, eat from the letter B. Okay, so from letter B, I have this banana bread, and also I have to complete this challenge in just 1 hour. So let's see whether we'll be able to do it or not. So B. Now let's hurry to the letter C. What I can eat from C. Okay. So from C, I have these chatpata dried cranberries. This challenge is actually very fun. I'll be showing you the timer. Oh, by the way, these cranberries, these are super yummy, and I'm like obsessed with them. You can also mention what we can more like. हम क्या क्या चीजें खा सकते हैं with all these alphabets. C हो गया. अब D से I'm like thinking. Okay, so from the letter D, I have dairy milk, and I just found it. Someone gifted it, so that's why I'm eating it. And I think ये भी मतलब मान दिया जाता है chocolate, like it's basically you can use. So D said dairy milk. Okay guys, so बहुत मुश्किल के बाद I found something from the letter E, which is elaichi. So let's have elaichi first. Mama, it smells so refreshing. अब next क्या था? Okay, so from F, I have this fruit and nut cake. G. Okay, so from the letter G, I have these gourmet chips. So I just collected most of the items जो मेरे को मिला, जितना मेरे को यहाँ पे मिला. फिर हम रूम में जाके देखेंगे अगर कुछ मिस आउट हो जाएगा. अभी we have like a lot of time. Okay, so from H we have this hazelnut, and yeah, this is hazelnut. So from I have this ice cream tub, but it's quite liquidy because the fridge is not working right now, so I have to spoon it out. But eating it like this. From the letter J, I have this jam. Ouch! Oh my god, that's so difficult. Oh, this is the jam. It's so sour. Okay, so I got something from the letter K, which is crunchy kurkure. Okay, so now from the letter L, we have. Okay, I have two options. First, I have this. So this is lemon, but I'm not going to have lemon because I have lemon tang. There is lemon tang. Okay, so I'm having lemon tang from the letter L. So from the letter M, I have momos. So I'm just gonna go and take it out on a plate. Okay, so these are momos. Having it with some chutney. M. N. Now M. N. What we can have from N? Okay, so from the letter N, I have these nachos. मुझे आधे से ज़्यादा सामान यहाँ पे किचन में मिल गया. So from O, we are just gonna have omelette. Wait. So this is omelette from the letter O. So from the letter P, we are just gonna be having these puffs. Okay, so I couldn't find anything from the letter Q. Oats भी नहीं मिले मुझे, वरना मैं कोई oats कर सकती थी इसमें. But मेरे को एक idea है, वो ये है कि we can have this quarter bread. So it's basically from Q we are having quarter bread. Okay, exactly the quarter bread. From R I have this real juice. Okay, so S से I have sauce. This is sriracha sauce. We can also like count it, okay, as something. Though I also have like the normal sauce, but I would like to go more specific, you know. S से sriracha sauce. Okay, so from the letter T, I'm gonna be just making tea for myself. So T for tea. Okay, so U से मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझ आ रहा था, but then I remember we can make uttapam. So for uttapam, I have this suji. So I'm going to be making uttapam and then I'm going to be eating it because if I'll eat it like this only, then वो अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है, तो हम इसका पहले उत्तपम बनाते हैं और फिर हम उसे खाते हैं. So I'm making a very simple uttapam, just not. Okay, so uttapam is ready. So from you, ouch, it's super hot. मैंने बिल्कुल plain simple बनाया. And yeah, so you say uttapam, and so from V I can find two things, but I would like to go with a very unusual one, which is like I have Viva tomato ketchup, but we're not going by this name thing right now. I have a more better alternative. I found this vanilla extract. Okay, so vanilla essence. I'm just having a bit for challenge. Okay, so from the letter W, I have this wicked good noodles. So let's try these wicked good. I was not able to find anything from the letter X because it's actually very difficult, especially if you don't have. But मेरे पास एक कॉफ़ी पड़ी थी, but वो मुझे मिल नहीं रही है, वो X से स्टार्ट थी. तो मैंने सोचा कि why not xanthine. So it's a red colored food color जिसका scientific name xanthine करके है. So I thought कि ये भी चलेगा, and it's just for you know, थोड़ा सा I'm trying just to complete my challenge. वैसे should not eat it like this. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, my hand is like colored now. जितना मैंने खाया नहीं वो तो मेरे हाथ पे आ गया सब. Okay, so from Y I have this yeast. So this is edible one. This is baker's yeast, जिससे bread वगैरह बनती है. But yeast को make sure you know you cook it first. But I'm just having इतना सा just इतना सा for the challenge only. So just look at this how it looks. Okay, so almost challenge complete हो गया. मुझे Z से नहीं मिल रहा था कुछ, but then I remember कि we have Zira. So let's just end this with this. challenge complete. We are done with it now. That was all guys. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. और इसी के साथ हमारा चैलेंज कंप्लीट हो गया. I'm like super excited क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें बिल्कुल समझ ही नहीं आ रही थी कि क्या एंड में मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था oh my god I'm just gonna be losing. But चैलेंज कंप्लीट है. थोड़ा सा टाइम लिमिट 1 घंटे से थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया बिकॉज मैं बीच में और अपना कुछ काम भी करने लगी थी. बट या अगर मैं सिर्फ इसी पे फोकस करती तो आई थिंक 1 घंटे में हम कर लेते हैं चैलेंज. सो बेसिकली चैलेंज है A to Z, नॉट टाइमिंग मैंने बस ऐसे ही डाल दिया था. But yeah, we just did it. So if you like this video, please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll be back with new videos super soon, and you'll see you.